how to unsubscribe all subscribed channels on YouTube at once. Now, if you're going to be doing this whole process using your mobile device via the YouTube application, the actual process still is the same if you're also using your laptop or PC. So first of all, open up any preferred web browser and head directly into your youtube.com's official channel. And from here, there is actually no immediate option or special feature just for you to just simply clicking it and all your subscribed channels will be removed at once. What you need to do is to submit a request via send feedback on a YouTube feature. From here, make sure that you're already logged in into your YouTube account and then just simply click on your profile picture at the top right and then just simply choose on send feedback. And from here, just simply thoroughly explain that you would like to have or you would like to submit a request that you would like all the subscribed channels that you have on your account shall be removed together at once. Now, you are going to be expecting a response within 24 to 48 hours, depending on the queue, and you can just go ahead and check all your subscribed channels on this account from here to see if all those are already removed. So that's the most convenient way for you to be able to unsubscribe all subscribed channels on YouTube at once.